Good day, everyone. In this short lecture, we'll go over a simple yet very useful concept in differential calculus, the power rule. The power rule says that if we have a function, f of x is equal to x raised to n, we can find its derivative by bringing down the exponent n, multiplying it with the base x, and then subtracting 1 from the exponent. This gives us the formula, f prime of x is n times x raised to n minus 1. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want the derivative of 3 times x raised to 4. Using the rule, we multiply 4 by the coefficient 3, and then subtract 1 from the exponent 4. That gives us 12 times x raised to 3. Let's try another one. Find the derivative of negative 3 times x raised to 5 plus x raised to 2. We work on each term separately. The derivative of negative 3 times x raised to 5 is negative 15 times x raised to 4, and the derivative of x squared or x raised to 2 is 2 times x. Putting these together, we get negative 15 times x raised to 4 plus 2 times x. Now, what if the exponent is a fraction? For example, negative 2 times 2 divided by 3. We apply the same steps. Multiply the coefficient negative 2 by the exponent 2 divided by 3, then subtract 1 from the exponent 2/3. After simplifying, the derivative becomes negative 4 divided by 3 times x raised to negative 1/3. So to summarize, the power rule is really straightforward. Bring the exponent down, multiply it with the base, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture helpful, please give it a like, share your questions or thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons in mathematics.